My family dinners used to be my favourite time. But lately I can't stand the sound of chewing. Seriously, chips, crackers, even chewing gum, every sound grates on my nerves. It's like my brain hits a red alert. Stop chewing now or I will snap. I've snapped at my spouse mid-bite, apologised 20 times, but the second crunch, white flag time. It doesn't end with food. The sound of tapping fingers, clicking pens, phones buzzing, it's all enough to send me into a rage spiral. I thought it was just stress. Then a TikToker named Utherisarian12 said, "Chewing, clicking, tapping, everything makes me snap these days. I thought I was just irritable until..." And suddenly, it hit me. Menopause does this too. Mood swings? Check. Hot flashes? Check. Sound sensitivity? Whoa, double check. It's like my sensory volume got turned up overnight. Every tiny noise feels like a fire alarm. Thankfully, others are feeling it too. My group chat lit up. Are you angry when someone chews gum? Yes, it's insane. Turns out it's a real symptom. Sensory sensitivity. Hormone changes rewiring our brains so small triggers feel huge. What helped me? Headphones, please white noise, calming supplements, daily meditation, and giving myself grace for snapping at everything. So if you feel like your fuse is shorter, you're not alone and you're not losing it. Menopause is messy. Let's not hide it. Let's talk it. Thanks for listening. You're valid and still wildly lovable.